Solidity, a statically typed compiled programming language for implementing smart contracts. The concept of a smart contract has been around since 1994, when Nick Szabo described it as a digital vending machine. It's just code and data that govern the behavior of accounts on the blockchain. For example, Bob might agree to pay Alice for a service, so they deploy a smart contract to the blockchain that's its own independent account. The contract is not controlled by humans, but rather its own internal code, so it can't be manipulated and no lawyers are needed for interpretation.
It's outrageous, egregious, preposterous.
When the services are rendered to Bob, the contract will execute and transfer funds to Alice. There are many other potential use cases, like Web3 decentralized apps, decentralized financial products or DeFi, or to trade digital assets in the form of non-fungible tokens. In fact, you could be the proud owner of this very YouTube video as an NFT. Solidity is a high-level language for writing smart contracts with a syntax that resembles many curly brace languages, like C++ or TypeScript. It's statically typed and supports object-oriented patterns like inheritance. It came to life in 2014 and is most commonly associated with Ethereum, but it supports multiple blockchain platforms. To code a smart contract, create a file ending in .sol. Use the pragma keyword at the top to tell the compiler which version of Solidity to use. Then use the contract keyword to define the details of the smart contract. It's roughly equivalent to a class in other programming languages. Inside the braces, we can define state or variables where the value might change throughout the lifecycle of the contract. The language also has special data types like address to hold a 20-byte Ethereum address. The struct keyword allows you to create more complex data types, usually to represent the different entities in the contract. Use the function keyword to define executable blocks of code, which might be called upon at some point to modify the state of the contract. You can also define a constructor that's only called once when the contract is first created. When the constructor is finished executing, your code will be deployed on the blockchain. After the contract has been defined, you then compile it so you can use it programmatically with the API of your choice, like web3.js to instantiate and manage your smart contracts in JavaScript. This has been Solidity in 100 seconds. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this. And let me know if you want to see a full tutorial on this topic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.